What's going on, guys? Today we're gonna be doing the windshield wiper change, and I'm gonna just be talking to you guys and just see what's going on. So yep, we got these Rain-X. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. For some bad paint, that shit kind of slipped off pretty easily. I have Rain-X. These are dirt dookie ball trash. I don't know how to like show you guys, but they're done. Obviously they're fucking done. They're trash, they squeak, bullshit, whatever. So from what I saw in the measurements, the driver's side is 24 and the passenger side is 20. So hopefully I'm right, whatever. We're gonna see. I have not done this in a while, so let's see if I can remember. Obviously it's a J hook, so it should be pretty simple. Oh, that was simple. Look at this. Look how flimsy and trash it is. Whatever. And apparently you're supposed to change out, I didn't know, you're supposed to change out your windshield wiper blades like every year, pretty much, like 6 to 12 months. So pretty much every year, depending on your environment, temperature, all the etc. bullshit. So that's news to me, so nice to know that you got to replace it pretty much every year, depending on if you drive it every day or such. So yeah, so what else has been up? Pretty much with the car, other than this, I just need to get a top mounted turbo kit, put that on there and get it retuned. So you just need more money to do stuff like that. But it's not really as expensive as I thought it was gonna be, but still need money to do it, so that's the only hold up. What am I trying to do here? I'm trying to figure this shit out. Do I just slap this shit on? This is the shit I'm talking about, cause I don't know. See, I haven't done this in some time, and I don't know. Do I just slap this shit on here? Like, I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. This is some fancy, yeah, it's some fancy shit. See, well, I'm gonna get back with you guys because I don't know what I'm doing. I learned this together, so apparently I had to pull this part off right here and then have to pull this part off also, apparently, with both tabs. Alright, looks, or whatever, right? It seems that's how I'm supposed to do it, right there. I figured it out. This is weird. I had to use the install video, whatever. So pretty much, I put it on. It's weird. I'm gonna show you on the other one. Now I get to know if this is actually the right size, because when I did it on their website, it said a 19, but this is a 20. But then I googled it, it said 20, and then when I read the book, it said 20. So we're gonna see if I'm right or wrong on this one. I'm not gonna pull those off until I know, like, I'm not gonna pull the yellow one off just because I need to take this back to the store and find out if this is right or wrong. So pretty much for J hooks on these are really intricate things here, because they have an adapter for J hooks, and then you can just, and for the other ones for newer cars, I guess. It's so weird. So what I do is, oh wait, pick this off first. This piece of shit. It's so weird, but I get it. I don't do this fucking often. I don't do this very often at all. Hello? 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 Dude. I had you off before. Damn, come on. Come out, bitch. Fucking hell. I don't know how long those bitches were on there. So we're gonna see if this is gonna fit. I'm hoping this is gonna be correct. I gotta take this fucking piece of shit off. So pretty much, you just rip this off. You don't rip it off, but you take it off by lifting it and then pulling it off like this. And then you just take this shit off. It's little clips, whatever, right? And then you lift this part right here up. And then you just slide it up till it's like snug up in there. And voila, you have it on. And it's on. So it seems like it's the right size. Seems like it's the right size. So we're gonna see. It worked, it hooked on there, secure. So, and it doesn't seem too long, so I'm gonna rock with it. So this is pretty much all I did. This is all I had to do. Very, 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 very weird design here. Very weird design here. I'm trying to think, do you need to put this back on? No, yes, no. Or it doesn't matter how I put this back on. Do I need to put this back on? I don't know. Have no clue. Do I put these back on or not? Like, I'm curious. I'm curious to know if I need to put these back on or not. I feel like I do. Oh, I didn't need to take it. Oh my god. I didn't think I needed to take it off in the first place, I think. Let me see if I'm correct. Hold on. See, this is why. This is very, very like an intricate. So this is, no, so you don't need to put this back on. Because if you put this back on, you can't get the, it's like a guard. So like a whole ass guard. Okay. So I'm guessing you don't take that shit back off. You take it all off. You have to take it all off. It seems like. Yeah. Seems like that's the only way you could do it. Because if you put this back on, you won't be able to slide this on underneath it. Yeah. So it's just a one time, it's just a little clip thing that comes with it, makes it look good, whatever. Let me see. Oh, that's the part I need to take off. So, yeah, that's about right. Cool beans. So you rip that shit off, take this off, and it's done. So that's the install for these Rain X Latitude water repellent bullshits. Very not hard. If not hard, because nobody, I don't know how often people do this to like change their windshield wipers. I don't know, but it's not bad. I haven't done this in a long ass time, so hope the video wasn't like too cringy to watch, but who cares? I mean, I'm just recording something because it's very interesting. I learned something, how to do it again, because it's always different whenever I put windshield wipers on a car. It's always different every time. Different every time. Every time. So cool. Learned another thing to do, but then again, this is my experience. This is what I have. This is what I do. So, yep. Oh my god. Fucking whatever. It's all gonna get thrown away. But that's pretty much it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one.